Hello everyone, this is Kevin from Genesis of South Bay. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about the heads-up display that it's available on both GV80 and GV70 on the Prestige package. So the heads-up display, the way that this works and the main focus for it is so that you can actually go ahead and focus more on the road without having to be distracted on the other side. So by looking at the radio, looking at the speedometer on the dash, just keep your eyes on the road. It does show you, the lane assist. It does show you if you have navigation, turn by turn. It does give you the blind spot. You do have multiple different features that we're going to go ahead and go over. So we're going to go ahead and set up the heads-up display. The way we do that is we go ahead and scroll down. I'll scroll right to where we hit setup. We go to vehicle. We go to heads-up display. And you could actually go ahead and either have it on or disable it, whatever you like. You do have different settings, such as for the height, if you want it a little higher, a little lower, you're able to go ahead and rotate it as well. And you do have brightness to see how bright you want it. And then we could go ahead and go to content selection, and then we do have our different things that will come up on the actual heads-up display, such as turn by turn, which if you're using navigation, it's going to go ahead and let you know if a quarter mile you make a left or a right or continue straight. You do have traffic signs, so in case there is a sign coming up and you're coming from an area that's going 45, it shows you the next area coming maybe at 30. You do have driving convenience information, and that's going to let you know if there's a car ahead of you in case you're using cruise control. That way it prevents you from getting too close from the next car that's going a little slower. You do have blind spot safety information, so same thing as the blind spot detection. You're able to go ahead and see that in your rear car, either left or right, you have a vehicle that's going to be in either side. And then you do have radio/media information, meaning if you're playing a tune, whether you're on the radio hearing a certain whatever radio station, or you're using Apple CarPlay, or you're using just regular Bluetooth, it lets you display the name of the song, the artist, the tune. So if you want to go ahead and skip it, you're always seeing what's next. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like. Have a good one.